What do you think, bud?
I like them.
These are the Aqua Dragons. See if we can get a focus on here. Let's see, it's not focusing. There we go. Those are the Aqua Dragons. It's been about 2 weeks. They're like little shrimp.
Yeah.
And look, they swim on their backs.
What? Why do they swim on their back?
I don't know. They're swimming on their backs, and then oh, that one's right side. Pretty big. I don't know how big they're supposed to get, but I think they're supposed to get even bigger than that.
At least you can see them.
Yeah, you can see them. Where's your stool? You should get your stool.
Where even is it? I don't know where my stool is.
That's okay.
I can see them.
You can see them? They're big enough now you can see them?
Yes.
Very cool, huh? Wow.
There's more eggs in there.
More eggs in there?
Yeah, because look.
Yep. They're like little shrimp.
I think I named some of them.
You named some of them?
One is Ralphie.
Ralphie.
One's Lincoln.
Lincoln. Your friend's name is Lincoln.
Yeah, no. That's why I named one that.
All right.
And I have one for a girl named Jelena.
Jelena.
That's one of my friends.
Yep. All right, so it looks like the Aqua Dragons are growing. That's pretty cool. Interesting little project. Pretty easy to keep alive. Basically, you just give them.
I kept them alive. You did not.
You just give them some food and you give them some air.
Oxygen.
Yep, some oxygen. And they grow. Going good so far. Pretty cool. Well, stay tuned. On to the next.